Good day, dear viewer. My name is Eric, and you are watching Erico World of Shortcuts and Tricks. In this video, I will be showing you how to retouch your photo in just a minute without going through the long method that elapses time. But before that, I would like to let you know that this is my first video on this channel. You can just pause this video and click on the subscription button to support this channel, and also click the notification bell button so that you'll be notified anytime I have a new video on YouTube. With that being said, let's get into business. First of all, there's a link in the description below that will take you to the download page where you can download the Photoshop action file for this shortcut video. When you are done downloading it, open Photoshop and go to the file on the menu bar. Now click on open. Select the file you want to import into Photoshop and click on open again. Now go to the Windows on the menu bar and select action. As you can see, I have the actions already here in my action tab, but just for learning preferences, I'll need you to go to this 4-line icon to import the action. Now go to load actions. Now select the file you downloaded from the description box. This is the file. Now click on load button. Now this is it. All you need to do now is just select the auto touch here and then click on this play icon. Voila! Your photo has been retouched. All you need to do is just adjust this to your likeness. You can also zoom in and out for adjustment. Yeah, I think I'm good with this. You can leave it at radius 30 and then you can leave the threshold as it is. Now click on OK button. Now it will take you to the high pass area. All you need to do is just adjust this to, I think, 0.2 or 1. When you are done adjusting it, you can leave it at 0.1. That is the best result. You can now click on OK. Now when you're done with that, this pops up. I want to use this opportunity to thank Justream Tricks for uploading this action file online. Yeah, you can also visit their website as you can see it on the screen, and also subscribe to their YouTube channel. They have good content on their YouTube channel, so you can actually visit them later at your own convenience. So now we click on the continue button and that's it. As you can see, this photo here has been retouched. Now if you want to do some extra touching, you can just use the brush tool and just do some little cleanup. You just make it more smoother and more clear. You see, just adjust some few things. But even if you don't use the brush tool, the photo is good to go. This is it. Thank you for watching this video. Once again, if you have not clicked the subscription button, you can do so now. Like I said earlier, it will mean a lot to me. And if you are interested for more shortcuts and tricks, then click the notification button, and anytime I have new videos, you will be notified. Finally, if this video was valuable to you or has helped you in any way, please like, share, and leave a comment about your experience. Thanks for now, till we meet again.